Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the DC Universe online error code 0x0012.1.0. As per our research, this error comes when players try to log in. The error seems to be related to authentication or login issues, preventing users from accessing the game. First, we suggest unplugging your PC or console from the power source. Wait for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and restart your system. Now, check if the error still comes. If the error persists, check if you need to update the game. If an update is available, install it and see if this helps. Some players have shared that switching to the PS4 version of DC Universe Online helped them bypass the error. If you're on PS5, try installing the PS4 version, then log in for a few minutes, then log out. After that, switch back to the PS5 version and check if the error is gone. If none of these steps work, try reinstalling the game. Simply uninstall DC Universe Online, restart your device, then reinstall the game and check if the error still comes. At last, if you are still unable to log in, check if you have been banned. Some players have reported that they were unknowingly banned for a few days, which resulted in this error. If you think this might be the case, reach out to game support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.